Okay, so this is how you can take 4K photos on your iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works. And if this is your first time here on Foxtecc, make sure you become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important. Well, of course, every time you capture a photo, it will be part of your Photos app, and you can always just open up the image and swipe up on it to see the resolution of the image, right? So I can check out some of the pictures which I took, swipe up on them, and see the exact resolution, right? So the 4K naturally has a set of pixels, and you can see that some of the pictures are in very high resolution. But the point is that whenever you want to change the resolution of your photos, you have to open up your settings, then go to the camera and check out the formats, because naturally you have like the 4K for the videos, for the cinematic videos, and so on. But for just photos, you gotta go to the formats, and you can choose between high efficiency and most compatible. Most compatible is going to be in the JPEG format, and it's going to be slightly, I wouldn't say worse, but it's in a format which is legible by as many devices as possible. So I believe for a better quality, just go with the high efficiency, and you should also find the photo mode, and you can bump it up from 12 megapixels to 24, at least on my device, but it heavily depends on the camera hardware of your phone. But this is most definitely where you can find it. But as I said, all of these stuff, like the information about the resolution, will be accessible when you swipe up on the images, so you'll be able to double check it right there. But that is all from me. I really hope that I could help you out and quickly explain the whole topic. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future tutorials as well.